Welcome to SAT problem solving. In this video we'll focus on units conversion problems that have appeared and are likely to appear on the SAT. The core strategy for handling unit conversion problems is to build unit pathways. To convert a quantity from one unit to another, we build a continuous chain of ratios. This pathway begins with our starting unit, progresses through any necessary intermediate units, and concludes at our target unit. To ensure our units cancel correctly, we apply the diagonal cancellation rule. When multiplying ratios, align matching units diagonally so they cancel out, leaving you with the desired unit. Let's apply this strategy to first example. A distance of 354 furlongs is equivalent to how many feet? We are given that 1 furlong equals 220 yards, and 1 yard equals 3 feet. We begin with our given distance of 354 furlongs. Next, we set up our first conversion to change furlongs to yards. We multiply by the ratio of 220 yards over 1 furlong. Placing furlongs in the denominator allows the unit to cancel out. Now we convert yards to feet. We multiply by the ratio of 3 feet over 1 yard. Again, yards appears diagonally in the denominator, allowing it to cancel out. With only feet remaining, we can simplify and calculate the final value. The final answer matches option D. For the rest of the video, I highly encourage you to try each example on your own first. Take a moment to work through the problem before following along with the step-by-step solution presented next.